If you're looking for a quiet, ultra slim wireless keyboard and mouse, this is the perfect setup right here. So one thing that stands out about this keyboard is that if you hit FN, they also have an Android, a Windows, and an iOS function here, so it will connect exactly to how that system is set up. So it makes all the volume controls, the brightness, all of that work really flawlessly. I use an iOS, and so this has been like a big deal for me. You can control it all from here. So it has a Bluetooth button at the top where you can actually connect to 3 separate devices here. You can have it connected to your computer, your laptop, your iPad, your phone, and then it also has this dongle in the back. So you can connect to a 4th device with this. And it has a nice little place in the back for you to keep it. And the mouse is also connected by Bluetooth. It has a button here in the back. Easy to set up. It also works with the same dongle as the keyboard if you need it. The keyboard uses scissor switches, which give you that crisp feedback. They work seamlessly, but you don't have all that loud clacking. So if you need a more quiet keyboard to do your work quietly, this is perfect for that. The mouse is equally impressive. It's lightweight. It's also silent. And you have an adjustable DPI for quick cursor control. See, very quiet. Both the keyboard and the mouse are both rechargeable by USB-C. You have the port here on the side, and then you have the port here on the front of the mouse. And that means there's no more scrambling for batteries when things start dying. The whole setup is super slim, very portable, super quiet, makes it perfect to easily just slide this down into your bag and go. And the fact that it can connect to so many different devices at once makes this a big must-have. I really appreciate the full-size layout with the number pad because my kids do their math work on the computer. We go through an online computer program that they do their homeschool math with, and this is really key. Speaking of kids, if you have kids that like to spill things on your keyboard and tear them up, it has this really nice silicone cover that you can put over the keyboard. So if there's any any spills, your keyboard is protected. And this thing is silicone, so it wipes off, rinses off super easy. So if you get anything sticky, very cleanable. So if you're looking to simplify your desk setup with something that's super sleek, quiet, and efficient, this one is definitely worth checking out. If you're interested in this keyboard and mouse setup, I'm going to put the link for this down in the description below.